Okay, so we're in the Bureau Veritas training centre at Peterborough. We've brought the ISO tank in for the first time today. I'm just going to quickly show the side. It's a full-size tank. And I'm also going to introduce Lynn. Lynn and I are both sharing the experience. Hi, Lynn. Okay, right, Lynn, we're looking at the data plate here. Okay, so if you get in close, you can see that there's plenty of detail. Close. Can you see the detail? Okay, I'm going to open that up so you can see a bit more information now on what each item on the...
I can easily find the information that I needed with this.
Yeah. Okay. So let's shut that down again. And we can just review a little bit of a video about the data plate. So let's just play that video now.
All tank inspections start at the data plate, which carries all the information on the tank, its manufacture date, working pressure, and what it's approved to carry. Good practice is to grab a photograph of the plate so that it can be referenced later if required.
So there's a data plate training video. Okay, right, what we're going to do now is just turn our attention to the gauge just below the data plate. We've just got a very simple little bit of animation there. Okay, I'm going to activate the gauge. All right. Now ask Lynn to just come in and point out the outlet. So there's our shared outlet experience. So I'm just going to ask Lynn to just move back slightly, and I'm going to open that up. So the outlet is now expanding in front of us, and Lynn is now going to point out the butterfly valve. That's the butterfly valve there. That's right. So we can now get in close and actually see how this butterfly valve works internally. Hi Lynn, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to play a little video that shows how you test the seal on the outlet. Okay? So
by creating a membrane seal over the discharge end, it will be immediately apparent if a problem is present, as the bubble will bulge, indicating further investigation is required.
That's helpful to see, that video, isn't it?
yeah, great. Okay, good. What we're now going to do is lower the whole thing down so we can look at what's on the top.
Okay.
Right, so Lynn is now looking down at the manway cover. I'm now going to open that up for her and take a look in now. Yeah, okay, great. So the other thing that we've got up at the top, let's just put that back on, is the video.
The hydro test can be undertaken first to allow the tank to have been filled with water before the inspection starts. This simply speeds up the inspection. The tank must be completely full of water, and this must be validated by the inspector. It's also possible to hydro test with a fluid other than water, but this must only be done in very limited circumstances and with the full approval of TQR. Prior to commencing the test, the inspector does a quick visual check to spot any issues which will result in failure. In this example, a sealing gasket is identified as requiring replacement. Once the lids are closed up, the hydro test can go ahead. The purpose of this test is to simulate a full tank under load and to prove the structural integrity of the tank.
Okay, great.